Hello, online drawing class. It's me, Professor James. I wanted to put more of a personal touch to the hello to the class and to show you our wonderful studio space. Mr. Bones and I are here on our Middletown campus, and I'm going to post some hours that the studio will be available for your use. Isn't that fantastic natural light? It's a great space to work. If class or office hours are not in session, as long as the building is open and you're not interrupting another class, with your student ID, security can let you in and you can come and work in this beautiful space. If you're close to our campus, please do come and utilize this resource. This is also where I will be for our office hours, which I should call studio hours, so that you can come and get some extra help and also use the studio for homework or whatever you need. So I hope that you're all having a great start to the class. Everything is in Canvas. There's a Start Here module with an introduction where we'll all get to know each other. Check the syllabus. It has our schedule of all of the assignments and projects that we're working on. The main goal for this class is drawing from observation. We'll be working in charcoal. We'll be working on line, on value, the illusion of form, and the illusion of depth. And I'm a firm believer in process and that the learning process is really valuable and important. So I grade in that way. So for all of your drawing assignments, you can continue to work on them because as you continue to practice, you improve. And I will regrade any of your assignments that either didn't make the mark or you didn't feel strongly about. I feel very strongly about grading on the work that you invest in the class and on you as individuals. I don't compare you to each other, and I don't really compare you to a bar of, talent, like the folks that have talent will get an A. And you'll see assignments every week for your sketchbook practice, because if you're practicing every week, you're going to get better. And that's the goal. So I'm really excited about joining you on this journey, and thank you so much. Please email me if you have any questions. It's a busy week, so it might take me a little bit longer to get back to you, but I do try to get back to everybody within like 24 hours, except on weekends. I do take the weekends, so if you email me on like Friday at like 6 o'clock, you might not get a response until Monday, but you will get a response. And it's important to communicate. So welcome to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful semester. And if you're close to campus, Monday the 27th, we'll have the first meeting of Art Club, and we meet in this classroom, our studio on the Middletown campus. It's room 509, and we meet in here every Monday from 12 to 1. So thank you all, and have a great day. Have a great first week to your semester.